Okay, lots of people was asking about VK540 and starting it in the morning, so I'm going to do a short little video. Hope you can see my head, but yeah, it's going to do a short little video about starting the VK, and minus 29 out right now and windy. That's why I don't got very much crafting videos, or any, I guess. Don't have any up, and there's Zena's house. Yeah, so it's a little video about starting the VK. Minus 29, and I think it's 30 gusting to 50, or not, maybe not yet, it's supposed to anyway. The wind is pretty chilly. Okay, get on to the video. Minus 29. Okay, here's this video about cold starting the VK540. You see that cord? Yeah, here's a tarp on it. I'll put a tarp on it this time. Okay, so let me set you down here somewhere. Too high. Turn on the key, choke, primer, tires like that. Let it run for a minute. Gotta do this kind on. Let's get this to the these scratchers, extra wheels, brick sliders all the time. Those are choke so you don't hook your plugs, because VK is real bad to hook plugs if you don't get too much. Oh yeah, I'm sure you saw this put on. Yeah, light pod. Starting the VK. Yeah, a little household heater. Warms it up good. There's Zena's house.